after a week, she again called me and said, Madhu, no sex, no religion, no politics in your speech. I said, okay. Today I came to the venue. I said, hi Swati. And she said, with a terrified face, you're not going to talk about sex, religion and politics, right? How do I look like? Do I look like Nityananda? And I'm 24. What's the surprise? It's okay, I'm 24. And what would a 24-year-old dream of? Car, bungalow, house? No. Girlfriend.
Oh.
He would always dream of having a girlfriend. And I had close to 7 of them. I went close to them and they had. And my 7th girlfriend, she got married very recently. And after a month, she changed her profile pic to her husband kissing her. After 1 month, she again changed it to she kissing her husband. 3rd month, I did not open it. I was scared about what hell I was going to see there. And if this continues at the same pace, just imagine what pic would I be seeing after 1 year. Both of them kissing their kid. And listening to all this, by now you should be understanding how good I should be at my studies. My dad expected a decent rank, but my rank was his yearly CTC. And I somehow managed to get into a company, get into an engineering college. And Oracle is my dream company. Not because I was fascinated by databases or because I'm delivering this speech in Oracle, but because my seniors, Kavita, Anita, Sarita, Namita, were all into Oracle. That moment I decided, no matter what, Oracle, I'm coming. And Oracle came to my office, came to my college for recruitment, and first and second written rounds, I copied from here and there, passed. And the HR round, that guy asked me, why Oracle? I said, Kavita, Anita, Sarita, Namita. He said, out, get the hell out of here. And I somehow managed to get into an IT company. And girls at my office are as beautiful as Katrina Kaif or Vidya Balan. Speaking of Vidya Balan, how many of you here have watched The Dirty Picture? Dirty people. I did not watch it. You know why? I'm waiting for its 3D release. Like I already said, girls at my office are very beautiful. But somehow, all of them started calling me Bhaiya. I don't understand why. Forget about people from my organization. Even Swati Gajna. When she called me and said, for the second time, no sex, no religion, no politics, she said, Bhaiya, please don't talk about all the 3. My frustration for not having a boyfriend. Sorry.
जिया हो बिहार के लाला.
Increased with every passing day. So I thought I was not able to do anything. So I called my mom and said, I've decided to marry. Go search a girl. Girl, not a boy, search a girl. And one other advantage with marrying a girl is dowry. You get a lot of dowry. I wondered what my rate is. I'm an IT employee, and who would answer all of my queries? Obviously Google. My day starts with copying code, and so I Googled and found a site called dowrycalculator.com. Like-minded people, na? So by now you should have understood I'm single, desperately ready to mingle. So if you know anyone, please do refer. Over to you.